What's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is all about soil. So kung yung nauna nating lesson, it's about soil erosion. So dito naman all about soil. So before we start our lesson proper, so syempre meron tayong trivia for today. Oh, wala pala tayong nalagay na trivia. Oh my God. I'm so sorry about this. So yan, wala tayong nalagay na trivia. This is my fault. So next, meron tayo. So all about soil. Soil is the loose material that covers the continents. It is a system into which the energy and matter from the sun, the atmosphere, and the living organisms penetrate and interact. It is a system because it is composed of many different parts of which has a special function to perform. So soil is the loose material that covers the continents. So without soil, we can plant trees, we can build houses, wala tayong paglalagyan ng houses kasi nga soil is very vital and very essential for us, like lugaw, shares. So, soil is very essential for us because it is material that covers the continents. So, matter and energy interact, and the soil, matter is, it occupies space and has mass, and matter is in the form flux, mineral fragments, and chemical compounds from the continent. Energy is provided by the sun. Living organisms also contribute energy which they capture from sunlight. So energy comes from the sun, right? So we have solar energy. So hindi kompleto yung photosynthesis if we do not have the sun. We do not have the energy from the sun. We can't do work, and with the sun, the world is very dark. So living organisms live with it, and they also contribute and they capture it from the sunlight. So wait lang.
So, the soil profile. So, soil profile is very known.
And madalas nababanggit na to kapag meron tayong mga lesson about soil. So, yan the top and hanggang sa pinakadulong layer. So, when soil scientists or podologists, so the soil scientist is called podologist, study the vertical section of a soil showing the nature and sequence of its various layers, they make a soil profile. So, syempre, para ma-determine mo kung ano ba yung horizon A, B, C, D, E. So, syempre, malalaman mo yung mga different agents and materials na maaring makikita doon sa horizon na yon or sa profile. This is the soil horizons. It's very detailed. So, all mature cells are made up of distinct layers called horizon. Horizons differ from each other in chemical, physical, and biological properties. It's very different from A to E. So, this is the O, or the organic layer, the upper part. Oh, there's a background. A, the topsoil, or organic layer natin is humus. Topsoil is the mineral with humus. E, the elevation layer, leach materials and organic matter. Subsoil, deposited minerals and metal salts. Parent rock, weathered rock, that's the weathered rock. And the bedrock is the unweathered parent rock. So, that's the soil horizon. The major soil horizons are the following. The horizon A, or the A horizon, or the topsoil. It is characterized by high biotic activity and accumulation of organic matter. Fertile topsoil contains humus and weathered minerals that plants need in order to grow. So that's the basic, and the first part of the soil horizon, the A horizon. It is composed of humus, and we can see that nakita natin yan earlier dun sa picture. And ito yung tinataniman ng mga plants natin. So, the B horizon, or the subsoil, has high clay content, and minerals from topsoil are deposited here. So, doon siya nakadeposit. Lahat ng mga minerals na kailangan ng content ng mga nasa topsoil ay nasa B horizon. Sa C horizon naman is composed mainly of weathered rocks. Horizon A and B make up the true soil called solum. So, yan. Always remember the horizons A, B, true soil called solum. So, ayan. So, that would be our lesson for today. It's very short and very fast, and it's very, alam niyo yun, yung parang it's very common sense and pwede natin may understand agad. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video. And leave a comment down below if you have suggestions, clarifications, and questions about our video. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.